Welcome to NAKTO's Help Center. I'm going to walk you through exploring how to make the most of this resource to solve your problem today. Whether you're a new or experienced user, we've got some helpful tips. The first step is how to find our Help Center. You can find it in the navigation bar on the home page of our website, which is labeled Help Center. If you are using a mobile device, you can also find this option in the menu and click on it to access it. You will then see our Help Center page, where you will find the search bar, promoted articles, and these other sections. If you want to get the e-bike manual, you can click on Manual for e-bike, and you will see a lot of e-bike related documents. If you want to see an e-bike installation tutorial, you can click on Assembly Guides for details. Next, if you look at the bottom right corner, you can see that we also have an autoresponder bot to help you get the information you want faster. You can click on this icon and send it a question like, how to install folding aux. It will quickly provide you with the appropriate content. If this doesn't help you, you can also click Get in Touch, leave your name and email address, tell us what you need to solve the problem, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Of course, you can also directly enter the content you want to solve in the search bar. We'll automatically display the most relevant content to you. You just need to click into the view on the line. At the bottom of this page, you can also see our contact information and our after-sales service team email. We are here for you to solve the problem. You can also give us some feedback. We can improve together. Thank you all for watching. This is NAKTO e-bike.